Alright guys, need your help. The boss brought in a welding machine. Said it's automatic, let's set it up. I'm not stealing anything, geez. Found the light here. I got the wire, almost figured out the adjustments with the structures. So, how's it over there? Where do I throw the spool? I found it all set. Damn, can't get it right. Yeah, now the cables. Where did they connect the cables? Unclear. Well, this is clear. Give or take. Speed, delivery, start, that's it. Mess, that's it. Clear. Well done, and where to connect the cables? Or anyone there knowledgeable?